Welcome back, guys. We are on 8.R4, the factoring review for Chapter 8. We have 4 questions left. We have the 4 term polynomials, and we have the trinomials where the front number is not an easy breezy number like 1. We don't have a coefficient of 1. We have these more spicy numbers that we're going to have to figure out. Personally, I'm going to do these first. I find these to be easier. And this style is incorporated in this one anyway. So I'd like to practice 11 and 12 first, and then we'll go back and do 9 and 10. So here we go. Number 11. So we have a 4-term polynomial. You're like, what does that mean? 4 terms means it has 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And polynomial, it's just a fancy word for a math sentence. So we're going to set up our Punnett square. I'm going to put my 4 terms in the 4 boxes. So we have 25x cubed plus 5x squared, 40x, and then plus 8. The signs are important, so make sure you incorporate those. And now I'm going to take out a GCF on the columns and the rows. So here I can see I'm taking out an 8. Cool. Positive 8 to be exact. Here I'm going to take out a 5x squared. Here, what can I take out? Look like it's going to be a 5x. And here they're all positive. Doesn't look like I can really take anything out. I don't have factors of 5 and 8. Maybe a 1, and they don't have a letter in common, so it has to be a plus 1. So our final answer, 5x squared plus 8, and 5x plus 1. And the beauty is, if you're like, am I even on the right track? Do I know what I'm doing? Well, if you don't think you do, go ahead and multiply it out. Let's check. Looks beautiful to me. Goes right back to the original. So we have a great question. We have all the work shown. We did an answer check. Looking good. Last one of these 4-term polynomials. We've got to be more careful. I can see there's some negatives here. So let's draw our Punnett square. Let's put our 4 terms in the boxes. Okay. So let's see. I know that this part is definitely going to be a negative. And it looks like it's going to be a negative 6. Here, what do they have in common? 7x squared, it looks like. Here, I'm going to go with 7x. And here, because it starts with a positive, we're not going to take out a negative, so it's going to be a positive, what? 5, yes. So our answer will be 7x squared minus 6 and 7x plus 5. And again, if you don't believe me, you can do just a quick check. So let's do that. I like to check my answers just in case. You never know. Even I make mistakes. Beautiful. Matches the original to me. Okay, now the 2 sassy pants ones. So this is where we split the middle term and then we use the Punnett square. So the first thing we do is we take our A value and multiply it by our C value. So the front guy times the back guy. So that's 8 times 10, which is 80. And I want to combine to get 81. So what are all the factors of 80? Well, there's a lot. But how many of those factors really add to give us 81? Well, only one. Has to be 80 and 1. So 80 times 1 is 80. 80 plus 1 is 81. Check. So the front term did not change. The back term did not change. And then we have 80v and 1v in the middle now. Notice we really didn't change anything. This and this are really the same thing because our middle 2 terms combine to give me that. So we're going to use a Punnett square. Space is on short supply here. Sorry about that. And I write big. I can see I can take out a 1. Here I can take out an 8v. Here I can take out just a single V. And here I can take out, looks like a 10. My final answer is, 8V plus 1 and V plus 10. We can do a quick check. Yep, gives me the front. Yep, gives me the back. And we have our middle.